What's up, guys? Foster's Auto Care here, and we are now on week 3 of the C10 rust repair. Obviously, we had like a couple weeks where I haven't posted, so it's mainly because me and my wife, we moved, and we had our newborn literally right after. We moved that day, and then at like 2 in the morning, her water broke, so we had to go to the hospital. We are now getting everything ready because I still gotta go to the garage, get some of the tools. I'm gonna go get some coffee first and then go to the garage. All right, so we're here at the garage. We're loading up everything. Got my tools. A lot of the other tools are already there, but I gotta load up like the section piece here, and that's that section that goes on that inner rocker piece. I'll show you when we get there. Sucks is that I still gotta organize my stuff, but we'll get there eventually. All right, guys, so as you can see, got the Nissan all loaded up. We actually need to go to Harbor Freight real quick. I need to get some spot weld bits, because those spot weld bits will help us tremendously when putting in the new pieces. Let's hope for the best today. Let's hope for the best. It's been a couple weeks since we were able to go out and work on the truck, just due to me moving locations and then due to having a newborn. And it's a blessing that I got a beautiful, beautiful daughter and a beautiful wife. So let's go ahead and hit Harbor Freight up right now, and we'll go to the job site and we'll get started. My buddy, he's gonna be there later, so I'll be the only one there for the first couple hours, and then we'll see him there later, just so we can get a head start. So all right, so we are here. There's old green right there, and first thing I'm gonna do today for myself, since I'm here and my buddy ain't here yet, so we're gonna go ahead and get some of the cowl panel fixed up. We're gonna go ahead and get started on that today. I'm gonna wait for my buddy so we can go ahead and start getting into all this. Gotta take the seats back out, but gotta get into all that good stuff. So piece that I got here is the intersection. So beautiful, beautiful day. It's just a little cold, so I wanted to show y'all the section that we got. So let me go ahead and show y'all this. This is what's gonna make a big difference. So this is that section that we needed. You can actually kind of see it's a section here. So we can cut it and lay this piece in there. So you can cut and lay where you need to. We'll get into that later, but I just wanted to show you all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the cowl panel, and we'll go from there. All these, the wire, we're gonna fix this part first, and we'll go from here. So my buddy's on his way, he's almost here. But so I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping the floor. I had put in some seam sealer to get that prepped the cow, so I gotta let that dry. That's gotta dry for, actually it's technically gotta dry for 24 hours, but we're just gonna get started on the floor area. I'm gonna start completely, probably up to here, get all that out, you know what I mean? Grind it all out. We're gonna see how the panel looks, and hopefully we ain't gotta touch it. So let's get started on it. So at this point right now, we have gotten this piece cut where we need to have it cut, trimmed it. We're gonna do some cuts here and here. We're gonna lay it in, and we'll show you how it looks. So what we got here, the inner rocker, we're about to weld it right now. We had test fitted the outer rocker and it looks good. So the outer rocker looks good, test fitted it, looks good. So we're gonna weld the inner and then we'll put on the outer. And we'll probably end up calling it a day because that is a lot of work done today. So let's do that. This is what we got going on. You can see the rocker is good to go. All it takes is us welding it and preparing it, but that also takes a few hours, so probably gonna call it today. But we got a lot of work done. Lots of work done. We're probably gonna also cut in a section of the floor because it's kind of rotted out. But I'll show y'all. Probably gonna cut all this. We're gonna cut here, make another section. This right here is all gonna be seam sealed. All right, so we're just gonna clean up, put on the other side, and then that'll be it for the day.